The best tile floor cleaner machines to remove dirt. Keep tricky corners in the house clean without vacuum cleaners and mops, with our list of the best tile floor cleaner machines. If you are searching for an optimum cleaning solution for your home, tile floor cleaners can come to your rescue. These tile cleaners can quickly remove tough stains, dirt, and grime from the floors and leave you with a squeaky clean surrounding. While floor tiles are immune to molds, exposure to moisture could lead to discoloration, making them look dirty and old. These tile cleaning machines use wax or steam to leave your tiles looking brand new and clean. Check out our list of products and features to make the right choice for your home cleaning needs. Number 1. Best easy to use, BISSELL Power Fresh Steam Mop. You can eliminate up to 99.9% of germs and bacteria using the natural power of steam with the BISSELL Power Fresh Steam Mop. Clean sealed hard floors without the use of harsh chemicals by sanitizing through tough, sticky messes using the flip-down easy scrubber. Choose from high, medium, or low steam settings with the Smart Set digital steam control based on your cleaning needs. The steam cleaner for tile floors comes with a swivel steering option, and the scrubber can also be flipped to reach down to tough grout and crevices. Pros: easy to use, ready to use in 30 seconds, 1500 watt power rating, 23 feet power cord, microfiber soft pad, includes spring breeze fragrance discs and a carpet glider. Cons: may lose efficiency when stored in dark and damp spaces. Number 2. Best heavy duty, DUPRAY Neat Steam Cleaner. The DUPRAY Neat Steam Cleaner is an efficient, ultra-reliable cleaning and sanitation solution. Designed for durable do-it-all cleaning performance, this steam cleaner delivers the proficiency of larger professional units. Deodorize and degrease any surface with this tile floor cleaning machine, whether it is your home or car, to remove dirt, grease, and stains while killing 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, pathogens, bedbugs, molds, and other undesirable stains from floors, furniture, toys, kitchen appliances, car interiors, grout and tiles, bathrooms, and more. Pros: deep cleaning experience, powerful and multi-purpose steamer, up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit 135 degrees centigrade, heavy duty and large capacity of up to 50 minutes of cleaning time per fill up, 2-year warranty. Cons: the pad area may not be large enough to clean a large tiled area. Number 3. Best chemical-free, light and easy steam mop. The multi-purpose light and easy steam mop comes with a smart switch and touch sensor that can be placed upright to see steam, making it a fantastic time-saving solution. You can easily slant and glide the mop to release powerful steam with this detachable steamer that can be used with a handheld feature for multi-purpose cleaning. Suitable for all types of floor surfaces including marble, tile, grout, ceramic, stone, vinyl, laminate, and seal wood flooring. This mop utilizes a 212 degrees Fahrenheit hot steam system to remove stains and sticky mess while drying quickly. Pros: chemical-free and safe to use at home. High, medium, and low steam settings. 1-year warranty and a free replacement policy. Works with tap and distilled water. Comes with an upholstery refresher suitable for bathroom kitchen deep cleaning. Ideal for babies and pets. Cons: it may not emit a steady stream of steam. Number 4. Best easy to maneuver, Dyson Ball Multi-Floor 2 Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Arguably the best cleaning machine for tile floors, the Dyson Ball Multi-Floor 2 Upright Vacuum Cleaner is a corded electric self-adjusting cleaner with a head that seals and suction across carpets, wood, vinyl, and tile floors. Scientifically proven to capture particles as small as allergens and bacteria, the Dyson technology uses a radial root cyclone technology that captures microscopic dust and has a cord length of 31 feet. The instant release wand allows for cleaning spaces like ceilings or under furniture to give you a cleaner and healthier home. You can also hygienically empty the bin at a push of a button. Pros: ball technology is easy to maneuver and can be steered easily. For flexible floor to ceiling cleaning. Comes with a long reach hose. Certified asthma and allergy friendly. Whole machine filtration. Comes with a 5-year warranty. Cons: it may not work as efficiently on carpets and rugs. Number 5. Best easy to assemble, VMAI cord-free multifunction electric mop. With a powerful spin and long-lasting battery, the VMAI cord-free multifunction electric mop is a powerful floor cleaner that is equipped with a dual motor that removes stubborn stains, dust, and residues from home and kitchen floors instantly. You can effortlessly maneuver the head of the electric mop, making this detachable floor cleaner a fantastic choice. The latest wireless technology does not restrict you by distance and allows a hands-free and lightweight experience. The electric tile floor cleaner has an extendable rod for length adjustment and is rotatable for easier access. It also has various convenient features like an LED headlight, a spray function for cleaning and waxing, and a built-in water tank for optimal cleaning. Pros: 2550 mAh battery. Cleans up to 2150 SQ. Feed area. No touch disposal. 300 milliliters built-in water tank. Easy to assemble. Lifetime support warranty. Cons: you may have to replace the cleaning pad often.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, does check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our call products, as it will make your life much easier.